Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you the outline of this course, which is the Automate Excel using Python series 2. Okay, so in this comprises of many different topics, starting with installation of the software, where Anaconda has to be installed first, and then you have to install the required packages if it doesn't contain, and then you have to install the Sublime text editor. Okay, and lastly you have to integrate Xlwings package with your Excel file. So that is how the installation procedure is finished. Let's go on to the next one, which is chapter 1, the AutoPlot. Here I'm just going to show you the Excel data and the charts. Okay, so let's get on to the Excel file first. So this is the Excel file where you would actually see one sheet which contains this sort of data. Data type 2 contains this type of data. Okay, and finally the button. Okay, so there are three methods to execute this function, but we will see in a while. And so the corresponding charts are as follows. So this is the first chart, this is the second chart, and this is the third chart. Okay, now let's get on to the next chapter, which is chapter number 2. In chapter number 2 we will see again the Excel data. So the Excel data is this, where there is only one data type. Okay, and there is obviously a button, and you can also see the charts which we will get as a result. That is the thickness plot and this uniformity plot and the CP plot. This chart is a little bit different compared to the one which we have seen in chapter 1, where it is line plot, and here it is, you can see the scatter plot. You will also get to see the remarks as well. Okay, like here, okay, on hovering the data. Okay, if there is any remarks, of course. In the next chapter we are going to see the automate rent agreement. Basically here you would have a preview image. Okay, so like dear landlord and all. Okay, so within this double star you have the parameters which has been defined over in this Excel file, so you can actually see the data, and this data will be directly parsed into a Word file, okay, based on the conditions given. So this landlord name is always going to be there, and these dates and the best regards name. But this here, the main difference is that this bullet will be shown only if the Q1 value is no. So you can see that the Q1 value is, if no, then it is going to be shown Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. So likewise, depending upon the values of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5, you will get the corresponding doc which is generated like this. Okay, so you can find that there is the date, tenant's address and postal code, and you will also get to see that the landlord name is also there, and this subject, and you are writing a paragraph, and then these bullets are shown onto the document based on the value it has over here: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q1. So that's it. Thank you, and see you in the course videos ahead. And so this is what the rent agreement one is. The data you have preview and Excel, and we got to see the documents. So again, like wherever possible, try to apply Python as much as possible, and follow our academy on Udemy, Medium, okay, and Twitter, GitHub and Facebook, YouTube channel as well, and Telegram. So thank you, and see you in the